Hello students. In the last class, we have solved exercise 2.4 till question number 4. Today we'll start with the question number 5. So it states that Shobhu's mother's present age is 6 times Shobhu's present age. Shobhu's age 5 years from now will be the 1/3 of his mother's present age. What are their percentages? So first statement here, Shobhu's mother's present age is 6 times Shobhu's present age. So what we have to consider as a x? Shobhu's present age as x years. Then Shobhu's mother's age will be what? 6 times the Shobhu's present age. So 6 times x will be the Shobhu's mother's present age. After 5 years, Shobhu's age will be x plus 5 years. So as per condition, we have x plus 5 is equal to 1/3 of 6x. Why 1/3 of 6x here? Shobhu's age 5 years from now, that is x plus 5. From now, Shobhu's age will be what? X plus 5 years. 5 years from now means you have to add 5. Is equal to 1/3 of his mother's present age. 1/3, 1/3 into mother's present age. 1/3 of 6x. So we got a linear equation now. We'll solve this. 3 ones are 3 twos are. So here x plus 5 is equal to 2x. X minus his, I'll transpose 2x on the left hand side and plus 5 on the right hand side. So x minus 2x is equal to, this plus 5 will be minus 5 and plus 2x is minus 2x. So we have to transpose variables on the one side and the constant other side. Now here x minus 2x, what will be the value we'll get? Minus x, because the bigger has got a negative sign, and minus 5 as it is on the right hand side. So minus x is equal to minus 5. Minus minus get cancelled. You'll get the x value as 5. So Shobhu's, how much? What is the x here now? That we considered as Shobhu's present age. So Shobhu's present age is 5 years and Shobhu's mother's age is what we are considered 6x. So as per the statement, so 6 into 5 is equal to 30 years. So Shobhu's present age is 5 years, mother's age is 30 years. Next question. There is a narrow rectangular plot reserved for a school in a Mauli village. The length and breadth of the plot are in the ratio 11:4. At the rate of rupees 100 per meter, it will cost the village panchayat rupees 75,000 to fence the plot. What are the dimension of the plot? So here we have to calculate dimension of the plot. For consider, this is a dimension of the plot. Okay, so here length and breadth are given. Length and breadth are given. So here this is the length, this is the breadth. Which is here in the ratio 11:4. So this is 11, this is 4. But here that constant we don't know how much it is, but they are in the ratio 11:4. So to calculate that unknown quantity, so we'll calculate it as, we'll consider it as length of the rectangular plot as 11x and the breadth as 4x. So here length as 11x and the breadth as 4x. Now rate of the fencing per meter. Okay, to fence this, okay, so to fence this rectangular, it is per meter. Okay, per meter 100 rupees, but total cost is how much to fence? It is 75,000. Now here first so fencing means what will be considered? We have to consider it as perimeter. Okay, what is a perimeter? Perimeter is a outside boundary. Okay, so that will be the rectangular. For a rectangular, what is the formula? Perimeter of the rectangular. So that will be of perimeter of the plot will be 2 into L plus B. 2 into L plus B. So what is L here we have considered? It as 11x. 2 into 11x plus 2 into L plus B. L is 11x, B is 4x. So 11x plus 4 is 15x. 15 into 2. So that will get a 30x. So perimeter of the plot will be how much? 30x. Okay. But cost of rate of fencing per meter. Now here total length we have got it as total perimeter we have got it as 30x, means total fencing area we got it as 30x. So here fencing per meter, so per meter is 100, but the total this one is perimeter is how much? Total fencing area is how much? 30x. So we'll calculate. So total amount of fencing. So this total amount of fencing will be 30 into x. We have per meter is how much? 100. So you have to multiply 30x into 100. So according to the given question, but total they have given here, which it will cost the village panchayat rupees 75,000 to fence the plot. So they are spending how much? 75,000 to fence this. So here now how much the total amount of fencing, how much we got? 30x into 100, that is equal to what? Already it is given, it is equal to 75,000. So 30 into 100, 3000 x is equal to 75,000. So x is equal to 75,000 divided by 3000, we'll get the value of x as 5. So we have got that unknown. So what should be multiplied with the, but here length of the plot will be, how much it is? We have considered beginning 11x. So we got a value of x as 25. 11 into 25 is equal to 275 meter. And breadth of the plot is equal to 4 into x as we consider. So 4x, 4 into 25 is equal to 100 meter. So here we got a length as 275 meter and breadth as a 100 meter. Okay, when we multiply, we'll calculate the perimeter. When we multiply, we'll get the total amount as 75,000. So this is like just they are given, the amount should be compared. Here one length is 11x, breadth is 4x. So perimeter we have calculated. The amount of fencing with the perimeter is equal to the already it is given as 75,000. We'll get the x. This will get a linear equation. We'll solve for x. We'll get the length and breadth. Hope you understood. So in the next class, we will solve question number 7, 8, and Wednesday there will be a online class. So we'll do further questions in online class. Thank you.